warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Queen Himawan. I am from MTSN to Surakarta, and I would like to tell you about my story, the legend of Timun Mas. In a small suburban town, there lived a kind old woman. The name is Bu Rondo. She lived alone in a little house with a small garden, and she always dreamed for having a child. One evening, while she watered the plants, the ground shook, and suddenly a giant appeared wearing a leather jacket and dark sunglasses. "Hey, old lady, I heard you want a child." Yes, but how do you know?" "I can give you one, but in 16 years she is mine." But Randa nodded nervously, and the giant handed her a shiny golden cucumber seed, shaped like a capsule. She planted it in her smart garden, and weeks later, a huge golden cucumber grew. When it opened it, inside was a beautiful baby girl. But Randa hugged her. "I will name you Timun Mas, my golden girl." Years passed. Timun Mas grew into a bright and sporty teenager who loved skateboarding and coding robots. "Thank you very much, Ma. You give me everything that I need. I love this laptop and this skateboard." But Randa always remembered the giant promise. On Timun Mas' 16th birthday, the sky darkened, and the giant arrived on the flying hoverboard. "Timun Mas, it's time to come with me." But Randa gave Timun Mas a smart backpack with 4 gadgets. "Timun Mas, before you go, take this smart backpack. They will be useful for you." There is, first, smart seeds can grow super fast. Second, nano needles turn into steel spikes. Third, salt capsule create a mini ocean. And the last is shrimp vegetable creates a sticky boiling mud trap. Timun Mas jumped on her hoverboard and zoomed away. The giant guessed her through city park and subway tunnels. "The giant is getting closer. I must be faster." She threw the smart seeds, and suddenly, a huge vines and cucumber tangled the giant. "Your vines and cucumber are tangled, Timun Mas." She threw the nano needles, and suddenly, "Ouch! I hate you, Timun Mas. I will eat you." She dropped the nano capsule like a smart city surfer in the street. And finally, she threw the bomb capsule. "Oh, I'm sunk! No!" The giant is disappeared and never to return. Timun Mas back to home safely, hugged her mother, and said, "Mom, we are safe. Evil cannot win if we are smart and brave." And so they lived happily ever after in their little modern house. Well, that's all for my story. Evil cannot win if we are smart and brave. The moral value can we take our courage and intelligence overcome any danger. Thinking about why. And remember, evil plans will always fail in the end. I think enough, and that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.